Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 7 looping statement part 2. So let's start this video. First one, do while statement. A do while loop statement run while a logical expression is true. Do while statement run when logical expression is true. This means that long as your expressions stay true, your program will keep on running. Once the expression is false, your program stops running. A do until loop statement run until logical statement is true. We discuss do until after that. But first we'll discuss here about do while statement. A do while statement run while your logical expression is true. Means when you give a condition and your condition is true, then do while statement is run. Here the syntax do give a statement and then while. Means when your condition is true, then this statement is run, and after that when your statement is false, then move to the cursor directly to the while point. While when statement. If the condition is true, the code following the while is executed. When the when command is executed, it returns control to the while statement, where the condition is tested again. When the condition evaluates to false, control is passed to the statement following the when statement. It means when your while condition is if your condition is true, then while statement is run. If your condition is false, then move to the when statement. Here the syntax while when your condition is while statement is true, then cursor move to statement, and when your condition is false, then cursor move when statement. So this is the while and when statement. Next one is the do until statement. Sometimes a loop has been executed repeatedly while a given condition remains either false or becomes true. Such a case do until statement is used. Means sometimes your loop execute repeat one by one while given condition remains either false or becomes true. In such case, do until statement is used. Here the syntax do until condition. When condition is true, the statement run and move to the loop. Through example, you can better understand. CLS means the clear screen. X equal to 20. Do until x is greater than 25. Print x and the value of x increase +1, and move loops when condition is true. When condition is false, then move to the end. Means suppose that here x is equal to 20, here condition is false, print x and x is equal to x plus 1. When condition is false, then do until statement is run. If condition is true, means when x is greater than 25 means 26, the condition is here true, then cursor move directly in statement. So do until statement is execute when your condition is false. Play statement. The play statement is used for playing musical notes in QB64. It can only play one note at a time using different strings characters. The tones are indicated by alphabetic characters both in uppercase or lowercase. The command strings expression contain the note or list of notes enclosed in double quoted. That is given along with the play statement. Means play statement is used for playing musical notes in QB64, and it can only play one note at a time using a string character. Means such characters, some characters are used to indicate a special tones, either lowercase or uppercase. Here the syntax: play command string. For example, play C D E F G A B. So play one by one C D E F, such type. When you are give a string, then when you are run your command, your program, then such type of notes sound produced when you are given a command string. Beep statement. Another way to produce sound in QB64, QB means QBasic 64, is through beep statement. It produces the actual beep sound through the PC stereo speakers. Beep sound can be placed anywhere in the program to alert the user that an error has occurred. This beep statement is also used for music, and this statement is produce the beep sound. When you are perform any work, just like your watch, when 1 hour completed, your watch produce some beep statement. Such type of statement produced through this beep statement in computer using QB64. Here input, press enter to hear beep $. When we are press enter, then produce beep statement. And second program, for I equal to 1 to 10, beep next I, means here condition beep statement run 1 to 10, and I next I increase 1 by 1. So this beep statement is beep 10 times. When you are run this program, then your beep statement will beep 10 times, 1 to 10. Next one is the go sub return statement. The go sub enables you to jump to a certain position in a program. This go sub statement is used to move your cursor certain position in a program. Labels are used to specify what point in the program to continue execution. The goSub's return command is same as goTo statement, except when it encounters a return statement, the program returns back to the goSub command. In other words, you can say that the return continue program execution after the previous goSub statement. Means goSub statement enables you to jump to a certain position in a program. Suppose that your program have 10 lines and you want to move first to 10, then you use goSub statement, and also your program jump first to 5th line. So you can use goSub statement. Here just like example, print a program using goSub label, print it is a QB64 program, int label, then goSub move to this label, and print the control is at the label, again return to here. So goSub return statement is move to a pointer specific position of a program. Next one, the homework. Question number first, what is the difference between do until and while when loop? Second, what is the function of go-bus statement? Question number 3, what is the difference between play and beep statement? Hopefully you understand all content of this video. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840 156170. Thank you.